welcome to my channel. My name's Ariella. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be filming an unboxing haul. So, I know I haven't filmed a video in a while, and it's just because I've been in the process of moving as well as working a lot. So I just haven't really found the time, nor have had the energy to sit down and film a video. But today, I thought, hey, I might as well sit down and film a video. I recently did a big purchase at a store called Luca and Grae. It's an online YouTuber, Asypn Ovard's online store, and I just love her store. She has so many cute clothes. So this past weekend I went a little crazy and I bought a ton of clothes, and I figured I might as well come online and kind of show you the quality of the clothes, tell you what I like, tell you what I don't like, as well as just tell you if I think you should purchase it. So this is going to be a try on haul, so I'm going to show you everything as well as try it on so you can kind of see how it looks, how it fits, and if any of the items are see-through, I'll let you know about that too. So let's get on with the video. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the video right over here and become part of my YouTube family. So let's get on with the video. The first item I have to show you guys is this adorable romper. I believe it is called the Tombe romper. Tombe? Let me pull up my little... The awesome thing about the app is it shows all your orders. I highly doubt that's anything that's like new to anyone, but for me, I'm not that tech savvy. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is the In the Moment Tombe jumpsuit. So I purchased this for $66, which honestly I think is a good deal for this type of outfit, this type of jumpsuit. It's super soft as well as really good quality, and it's super stretchy, which I like. I hate clothes that are super tight fitting, so I like that this has super wide-legged wide leg, like literally look at that, like you could fit two people on this. So it's a super wide leg jumpsuit, and I love the top. It looks kind of like this, super cute. It's absolutely adorable, and I would highly recommend this. Just the feel of it, as well as, yeah, just this as an outfit is so adorable. I really like it. I love the straps too, how they're a little thicker. As you can see, I'm kind of a fan of the little thicker straps. It's just an awesome piece. So yeah, I purchased this for $66, and I think it was a good deal. The next item I'm going to be showing you is a great two-piece. I absolutely love this two-piece. You're gonna hear me saying that a lot because a lot of the items that I purchased from this closet I honestly think are just amazing pieces, and I really enjoy them. So this piece was called the Perfect Match Tombe Top and Pant Sets. So the retail price of this was $82, but I actually got this for $60, and it's a good deal for a two-piece because the quality just right off the bat is super thick. And so you can automatically tell just from touching it that it's not gonna get ruined from washing it. It's gonna last a long time, this set. So it's definitely a good purchase. It has these adorable tortoise buttons that go down the front of the pants, and they also unbutton. This was something that I was wondering about when I saw it online. I was like, is it gonna unbutton or is it not? But it does unbutton, so that's a great thing about this two-piece. So these are the pants. They're a little bit of wide-legged, but I just love this color, and I love how they're, this is called ribbed. I loved how they're ribbed, super cute. The matching top that comes with it is also adorable. It's just a light or a small crop top, and it has the adorable buttons that go down the center as well, and they unbutton as well. All of the outfits that I bought are in a size medium. So that's something to recognize if you're shopping from her store, is that a lot of her clothes do run small, so that's something to be mindful of when purchasing. I highly recommend this set as well if you're looking at purchasing something on her website. The quality is really good, as well as the color. It's just a great color. I love this kind of nude color. I've really been digging this, and I feel like it's a good outfit for fall. The next item I'm going to be showing you is the most adorable dress. So yesterday I put this on because I was trying it on and I was like, what the hell, it doesn't fit, because I was putting it on backwards. So originally I was putting it on like this when this is the back and this is the front. But this dress is called the Primrose ribbed dress, and it's this gorgeous salmon pink color, and it has like the ribs that go down the side and it's cute little sleeves that are kind of tightened at your arm. It's just a super cute dress. The waist is cinched. I'm obsessed with this. This dress I did purchase in a large because this was one of the items where I was like, I know it would be too short if I got a medium, and as the large it's like kind of getting there where it's just the right length, but if I would have gotten a medium it would have been too small. So tall girls, watch out for that. This dress retailed for $46, I believe. Yeah, 46, and I got it for $34. So they were doing the 25% off sale of all the summer items. This was one of the summer items, and yeah, I got it for 25% off, or for 20% off, which honestly, $34 for a dress is a good deal, especially this quality on this dress is like the other past two items I showed you. It's really thick. You could tell just by wearing this. You could wear this multiple times before it got ruined, especially if you took care of it, did a cold wash, didn't dry it, hung it up dry. This dress will definitely last you a long time, and on top of that, it's absolutely adorable. This color pink, I've been really digging the pink and the nude colors. The next item I'm going to be showing you is the absolutely the most adorable two-piece workout set. However, this was the one item that I was super pumped to get, and then when I got it I was like, it's too small. It fits me, but it's one of those things where it's like, you know when you wear leggings and they're too tight on your gazitza and you can like see the dimples and stuff? To me, you know, some girls are comfortable wearing that and that's fine, but for me I was like, I don't know if I like that. But so that's kind of how this set was. I'll still wear it, maybe just with a longer shirt that just goes past my butt a little bit, but it's just absolutely the most adorable set. It's these really cute pink leggings, high-waisted leggings, and then the back of the leggings had these adorable little cutouts. The other thing that kind of disappointed me about this set was when it arrived, there was a little bit of a rip right near your down there, like a little hole, and I was like, damn, you know, because on her website you can't return or exchange sell items, and I did get this for sale. The retail price of the, oh, I didn't even show you the top. This is the top. It's a really cute sports bra. I definitely will wear this a lot. It's a really cute sports bra, cut out in the back. It's really nice too, really holds in the boobies. So I really like this, and as a two-piece, it's so cute. So the two-piece was called the Lila Rose bra and legging sets. It was originally selling for $64 and I purchased it for $47, which is a good deal for a two-piece workout set, I think, because if you go to Target, you go to any store, you're going to be paying $20 to $40 alone in leggings, and then probably another $20 to like $40 in a sports bra. So this together set, I was like, that's not bad. And for the price, I was like, that's not bad. The only thing that did disappoint me is that little rip. So my husband was like, I'll sew it for you. So I was like, thanks, babe. Absolutely obsessed with this two-piece. It is so cute, and this is another one of those items, if you're looking to buy an item, I recommend buying this item as well. So this item was called the brand new day top and pants sets, and it retailed for $48. And horrible. So it's these long pants and they're really flowy, and I got them in a size medium. They're high-waisted, and then it comes with the most adorable top. I love this top. It's a little sexy, shows a little bit of boobies, but not too much boobies where you're like, ooh. So it's knotted in the front and it has long sleeves. It's so flipping, it's so cute. Like, seriously? Ah, so cute. So I'm obsessed with that. I know I have a lot of clothes, but I told you guys this is going to be a huge clothing video. The next item I have to show you is this adorable dress. Flower printed dress, pink, and it has the ruffles up at the top. I saw this on their Instagram as well as Asypn's Instagram, and I thought it was just the cutest thing. It's just a really cute flower dress with some ruffles at the bottom as well. This dress is called the Caught in the Middle dress, and this dress retails for $50, and it's just literally the cutest dress. This was part of their fall collection, so this dress was not on sale. I paid $50 for it, which honestly I think is a good deal for a dress like this, just because it's super cute. The quality, again, is a nice quality dress. This is not gonna break, it's not see-through, and that's something that, you know, if you're gonna spend a lot of money on a dress, you definitely don't want it to be see-through, and you want it to be a dress you can wear multiple times. And I can already tell with this dress, you can definitely wear it multiple times. It's not gonna break on you, and it's just a cute dress. However, if you're hesitant on buying it, I recommend maybe waiting until they do their next sale, and I'm sure they'll do some type of discount on this dress. The next item I'm going to be showing you is these adorable terracotta leggings. I saw this on their website. They were for sale. They were the Nirvana terracotta leggings. They were originally $41, and I purchased them for $30. And they're just the cutest terracotta color, high-waisted leggings. They're super cute. And what I love about them is the design on the ankles, how they're kind of crossed like that. Super cute. I would definitely recommend these as well. So I have two more items to show you. The next item is this super cute striped dress. Isn't that just adorable? I got it on sale. I believe I paid $29 for it. And it is just the cutest dress ever. It's a cute little bodycon dress. It has these little buttons that go down the center. And it's just super comfortable, super cute. It'd be adorable to just throw on a sweater with, and maybe some shoes or high heels. Super cute. The item I have to show you guys is the one item that I was slightly disappointed by. I love it. It's a super cute outfit, but it is one of those outfits that you do have to wear a cardigan with constantly, and it is a outfit I don't necessarily recommend you buying unless you absolutely have to have it. And it is the yellow two-piece outfits. So I got their sunflower pants and sunflower tank top. So the pants were $36, and they're just these cute yellow pants, sunflower color, with a white strap. The reason why I don't like these pants is, one, the material does feel a bit cheap, but not only that, they are see-through, which is why you have to wear a cardigan with this outfit unless you want to see your full butt. So that's the only disappointing thing that I found with this outfit, or with these pants, was that they were see-through. The second part of the outfit is the matching top, and the matching top is just this cute little crop top. And again, like I said, the fabric is a little not the best. It already is fraying, and I wore it once and there was a little hole just from putting it in the washer machine, and I hung dry it. So that was the one disappointment out of all the outfits that I bought. This was one of the disappointing outfits. I'm definitely still gonna wear it, and like I said, if you just throw a cardigan over it, it will look super cute. But it's just the fact that if you're gonna spend, you know, $50 to $60 on an outfit, you definitely want to make sure that it is good quality, and this was one of them that I was a little disappointed about. On this video, I really hope you guys enjoyed my try on haul and enjoyed seeing all of these outfits that I purchased from Luca and Grae, and I hope it inspired you to go check out some of their clothes on their website. They're constantly adding new things, and they definitely have a lot of cute items. So I recommend you going to their website. I'll link it down below. I'll also link all of the outfits I purchased down below in case you want to check any of those out. So yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the page, and I will see you all in my next video. I'm planning on starting to make videos a lot more regularly. I know that for a while, for 2 months now, I haven't posted a video, and it's just because, like I said, I've been traveling a lot, and the place that I'm living in now is really small, and I just haven't really had the, you know, had the motivation to film a video. But I have some good video ideas coming up in the next couple weeks, so I'm going to be starting to post probably 2 videos a week now. So please subscribe down below and stay tuned for my next following video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you all next time.